Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to fix screen resolution issues in Windows 11. So first of all, I will go in the search bar and I will type settings and I will click the settings and I will go to the system and then I will open this display. So from here I'm going to go here in the scale. Change the size of text, apps and other items. I'm going to set as recommended. It is already set as recommended. You should also set as recommended. Then display resolution should be also set as recommended. Okay. So other than these two options, you have this option called advanced display. If I go to this option, you have choose a refresh rate. Okay, the higher rate means that it will consume more power, but it will give you more smoother experience. Okay, mine is only 1. Okay, it is already selected. So last thing that you can do is to update a driver. So right now, to update a driver, you have to go to the device manager over here and you have to go to the display adapter and you have to go here, you have to select the driver and right click and you have to click update driver. Search automatically for drivers, click this. The best driver for your device are already installed. Okay, so I'm going to cancel, I'm going to close it from here. Okay, so this is how you fix the screen resolution issues. I hope your issue has resolved now. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much and have a great learning.